Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily, and today we're going to be creating a set within Tableau. Now, there are two features within Tableau that are similar, and that's going to be groups and sets. And the main difference that I have found between these two things is that groups are going to typically be static, whereas sets can be dynamic, meaning that they can change if your data changes. So let's go ahead and grab the subcategory here. All right, and I put that onto my table. And then let's also go ahead and grab sales here. Okay, so now that we have our data here, let's go ahead and decide what we want to change this based upon. So let's say that within our sales, we have some that are underneath $100,000 and some that are above. So let's go ahead and create a set that will do sales based upon that. So now the set does need to be on a dimension, but you can filter it down by a measure. So hopefully that makes sense. We're going to go over to subcategory create set here. And then I am going to go to condition. We'll do it by fields where sales is greater than $100,000. All right, let's go ahead and click OK. And if we scroll down, we should see our subcategory set here. Now let's go ahead and drag that over to filters, and you should see now that it has changed to show only those that have sales above $100,000. So now if we were going to show our dynamic portion of this, we could grab another filter and filter this down by years or by region, that sort of thing. But that is just going to be a quick how-to on how to create sets. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can connect with me on LinkedIn at EmilyCallMBA. I am a LinkedIn learning instructor, so you can check out our courses over there. Thanks so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.